Hey guys, I'm Young. I hope you guys have been enjoying my travel vlogs, but I realized I had a little bit of problem. I like going outdoor and flying a drone and so on. It's usually pretty windy outdoor and with a lot of background noise. So I realized I do need a microphone. The solution I thought would be probably getting the shotgun microphone that people use on camera, like this one, Azden SGM 990+i, used for mobile phone as well as camera. So what's in the box is this, a microphone and some manual. So the string is rather long. I've stretched it, but anyway, it's made in Japan. It comes with removable wind foam screen. It has different switches. These are the detailed specs. Please pay attention to the long and short polar patterns. You need an AAA battery. It also comes with SMHX shock mount holder. And it also comes with an adapter. This is for camera, but it actually comes with adapter. Well, of course, with the microphone that I'm going to use for outdoor, I have to get outside to test it out. So let's go! Okay, so right now I'm at Tama Park by the sea and also by the concert behind me. Okay, so right now I have the microphone pointing at me and it's plugged into the mobile phone and it's at the long pickup range. I hope it's actually showing the difference and showing the power of the microphone. Wow, the singing is getting louder and louder. And let me switch into the short mode. So now I have the short mode on and my voice strength is at the same level, I believe. There's concert going on with the same song and a bird and sea breeze right next to me. So from the long range right now, let me change it back to the short range and see whether it makes any difference. So right now it's in the short range. I wonder if you're picking up more of the noise of the concert and also the sea breeze as well. So actually in front of me there is a concert going on. Let me turn around and see if the microphone picks up more noise, whether there's any difference. Can you hear more difference now? That the microphone is actually facing towards the concert. And now I'm turning around, so the concert is actually in front of me and behind the mobile phone. So right now on this spot, it's a little bit windy. I do wonder if the wind foam will make a difference. So let me take this one out and see. So right now it's without the wind foam and windscreen, and the mic is facing me and it's at the long pickup range. And it's quite windy here, not crazy windy. It really depends on what moment. 990+i has both the mobile phone adapter as well as the long range and short range switch button. But you just need to make sure that you switch on and off the microphone. And it requires the AAA battery.